Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you something very unique to Shopivana where you can actually edit or upload your products using a grid system. So it makes it very simple because you're basically using an Excel sheet like format or a Google sheet like format where you can edit and maintain your products as well as upload new products. So what we're going to do is click on products and click here on grid view, or you can do open grid from here as well, but you can click on grid view and it shows you something like this. Now what I'm going to do is I already have these details in an Excel sheet, so I'm going to pick it up from here. I'm going to put in the code like such, put in the name of the product. I can basically type it in, I'm just pasting it, put in the category, put in a short description which is here, put in the long description which is here, and put in the selling price and put in the product price. Once I've done that, I can upload the photographs. So let's say these are my photographs. I can upload these photographs from here. So these are photographs of the same product, and that's all it takes so that we can upload the products. So basically we can manually do it as well rather than copying and pasting. Let's say we've got some code, we can put it like this. We can put in the name of the product. Let's say name of the product, put in the category, put in the description, a short description. I can leave it empty. Let's say the product is for $1,000 as well as the product price is 1,200. And then the photos, I can click here. I'll refresh this. And the photos, I can click here. And let's say I have different photos for this. And done. So this is how easy it is to actually maintain your products. This grid comes in very, very handy, especially when you've got all the products already imported and all you need to do is change the basic details, let's say of description, selling prices and things. You want to have a very simple system to manage your products. It is very simple. Now, in order to hide more fields, you can do it from here, where if you want inventory fields, you want variations, you want taxes, shipping details, sales performance reports, and all these things can be directly put in from here. So that's about it. That's how you actually import products using grid. Thank you.